we wanted to take a minute to point out a time-saving feature that you might not notice right away. Let's say you're in the spring term of History 101 and you want to clone the lessons and assignments from the fall term instance of that same course. Go to the Settings tab in the spring term of the course. Then click Clone from another course and check the box for assignments. You'll see two other boxes here checked by default. The first is Include Availability/Due Dates. If you were to clone without this box checked, you'd have to set each of the new availability and due dates for those assignments. The second box that's automatically checked is Tests, down here. And that's just because there are test-type assignments present in the fall term of this course. With the Tests box checked, the test content will be copied into the new term as well. Check this box if you'd also like to clone assignment groups. This way, the groups will match up from term to term. With all of those boxes checked, Populi will look at how your assignments were laid out in the previous term and replicate that as best we can in the new term. It is an automated process, so the cloned dates might require some editing, but this way you're not starting from a totally clean slate. Back on the cloning dialog, if you check the box for lessons, you don't get the option not to include those dates, so we clone lesson availability dates by default. Again, you might need to make some manual adjustments there. This can also save time when managing course sections in the same term. If you have a number of sections of History 101, you can create the correct availability for assignments and lessons in one section, and then clone those settings into the other sections. For help or for more information about using Populi, click the Help link in the top right or visit support.populiweb.com to view our knowledge base.